Order filled.
Order filled.
Fuck, on my funded futures I accidentally went short on ES, for fuck's sake. Once we take this low here, we're going to go break even. Right now we're only risking 5 points. Alright, once we take this low, I'm going to break even. Alright, let's break even there. So break even is at 991. 99100. Okay, so if we take out the objective on ES to be this low, then we're going to close out of our position fully on NQ. Price is starting to accelerate in favor of our trade as of now. We're floating up in a tidy profit as of now inside of this second day of macro on Monday. As of now, we can't trail our stops anywhere apart from break even, so we'll leave our stops trailed at break even and then just let the trade play out for now. I've got my TP resting 3 handles above where I'm looking to target. The reason why I do that is because if price creates equal lows, then it's very important that you actually get your TP. If you're targeting that low, price creates equal lows, it won't fill you if you have your TP at the low or just below the low. That's why I run it just above for the sake of a few handles. Over the yearly basis, you actually occur more of a profit by running it just above, ensuring that you get filled on that trade. Okay, so I'm going to move my stops to 98800. So not much of a stop trail, but it's the previous short-term high. So if ES takes this low here, that means we're going to close out of this trade fully. Every bearish PD raise, such as this bearish Fairvalley gap, should be tapped into and respected in order for a market maker sell model. So every bearish PD raise, such as this gap, mitigation, breaker, order block, etc., should be respected until price meets the final objective. And then once price meets the final objective, usually it will either continue or you'll see a change in state of delivery where price reaches back for buy stops and comes back towards a premium. So on the trade that I took today, I accidentally, on my MyFunded Futures account, I accidentally took this on ES. I accidentally entered on ES, which is annoying because I'm only up around half of the amount that I should be up because I accidentally entered on micro ES instead of micro NQ, which is a shame. But it's not a problem because recently I've just transitioned over to Take Profit Trader, MyFunded Futures, Alpha Futures as well. I'm looking to scale up massively over the next month after parting ways with Apex. Currently running obviously the Top Step X account, also got the FTMO account running as well, and the live account. We're not playing games, we're here to make all of the money. We're trading out of a 15-minute bullish gap now. So we just traded back up into that unfilled 1-minute bearish value gap, as you guys can see there. We should expect this to be respected. Price inversed the previous bearish gap, but we traded into the upper 1-minute bearish gap. Once we take this next low that price just created now, I've just cracked a Red Bull, guys, so it's fully locked in as usual. Drinking about 5 Red Bulls a day. And once we take this next short-term low, which is this one, then I'm going to trail my stops to a short-term high if it's created here. If the result is break-even, then it'll be a break-even Monday. It means that we'd close out on a 2-handle profit on Monday. So that would be the only trade that we could have taken as of Monday if this one is to come back towards break-even.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so the trade that we took today, guys, got taken out for a 2-handle profit on Monday, so it's a relatively break-even day, and that was the result for Monday. Last week we closed for a huge gain, and then today we got a break-even trade, looking to target that low. It may look quite extravagant to you guys for an 85 handle TP, but that is the first 1 minute low that we can actually look to target, which is going to give us at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward. In this case, we was aiming for around a 3.5 to 4-to-1 risk to reward to target this low, but that's the first 1 minute low that we could actually look to target today. And price comes back towards break even. That is basically it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this stream. Drop a like and subscribe to this channel for more streams like this. I'm also going to do a trade recap on the trade that I took today as well, so stay tuned for that. Until tomorrow, speak shortly.